Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use a powerful AI add-on I built for Blender called Gemini Nano Banana 2.5. It works with Blender 4.0 and above and get a refined image with better lighting, realism, and style. Installation is quick. Go to Edit, Preferences, click Get API Key to open Google AI Studio. Copy your API key, paste it into the Gemini API key field, and close Preferences. In the add-on panel, click Get API Key to open Google AI Studio. Copy your API key, paste it into the Gemini API key field, and close Preferences. No extra setup needed. Let's orient the UI. On screen, you can compare your original model to the edited result. The right-hand panel is the add-on. The interface has 4 key areas. Prompt/instruction. Describe exactly what you want. For example, enhance lighting, improve realism, keep composition and FOV. No text. More detail yields more consistent results. Aspect and preserve options. The aspect row locks your output dimensions to match your render. You can also enable keep camera and keep lighting to preserve your camera's field of view, framing, and your scene's lighting mood when appropriate. Style presets. Choose from built-in presets to speed up exploration. I've included 11 presets, such as Photorealistic, Cinematic, and Retro, so you can diversify results without rewriting your prompt each time. Automation and history. Auto render. Before send, if on, the add-on runs F12 automatically before sending to Gemini. If off, you control the render manually. History. Every result is stored. Use PREV/next to browse. View to bring the current image forward. Use to pull the instruction from a previous item and iterate with the same tone. And delete to remove the temp file and its entry. Save selected history. Exports the chosen image. Here is the basic workflow. Add your prompt, pick a style, and click Imagine. Blender may pause for about 5 to 10 seconds while the request runs. Then your edited image appears. You can refine the instruction and iterate fast. Render, send, edit, review, iterate, save. There are no complex node graphs and no manual export-import loops. Saving is simple. Click Save. If you don't type an extension, the add-on infers one from the returned MIME type. PNG, JPEG, and WEBP are supported. The output path appears in a status toast. A few tips: if you want to exclude backgrounds, say so explicitly in the prompt. For example, no added background, or keep original background only. For consistent framing, keep camera on. For consistent mood, consider keep lighting. Well-structured, disciplined prompts give the best results. Troubleshooting. 429 quota equals 0. Your API project has no billing. Enable billing or use a paid key. Error. No render result. You didn't render before sending. Press F12 or turn on auto render before send. That's the full flow for Gemini Nano Banana 2.5. It upgrades your renders inside Blender while keeping your frame intact. Write clear instructions, iterate with history, and export when you're satisfied. Thanks for watching.